welcome to Katrina's Creations Wednesday edition. Today we have an Annie's unboxing and knit crate. So yes, let's see what is inside. This is the January box. So let's take a peek. See, it comes all packaged really nice like this. And, oh, this is pretty. I have two skeins of this. It's a brown, oh, there you can see it. It's a tonal brown with some flecks of other color in it. You can see a little bit of a little pop of red right here. But it's kind of a chestnutty brown. It has like burgundy undertones. So there you can see it. It's really, really pretty. It is called Audine Wool's Flannel, and the color is buffalo, which totally matches the color. It is 47% Surrey alpaca, 38% alpaca wool, 15% non-superwash merino wool. So it's non-superwash, which means this cannot go in the wash. You have to hand wash this, which is fine. It's a DK weight, and there are 231 yards or 211 meters per skein. So there it is again. It is gorgeous. I really like it. So it's also very soft for non-superwash. Sometimes non-superwash can be a little scratchy. This isn't. This is very, very soft. And, oh, look, they sent an extra in here. It is a chapstick. It says Winter Mint and Marshmallow Lip Balm by Knit Crate. I'm sure it's not by Knit Crate. They've just put a Knit Crate label on it. Let me smell it. It smells pepperminty. I don't get the marshmallow part of it. It just smells peppermint. But yeah, I can use that because my lips are actually very chapped. So we had a nor'easter go up the coast. We missed most of it. It went to the east of us. We only got about 1 inch of snow, but it was very, very windy out. So yeah. Anyway, I am still on the weird diet as you're watching this. It is, let me think, it is day 7 on the day you're watching this. So it's not too bad. I've been kind of mixing some soup broths and stuff together. So make sure you check out, it's not bad. It's doable. I've been sticking with it. So remember, there is a video tomorrow on my bariatric journey to let you know what's going on and how I'm making out what I've been making with my combination of stuff and all that good things. So let's take a look at the patterns that come with this. It's called Cabin Retreat. That's the theme of the month. And then they give you 4 patterns that are downloadable. There's a knit pattern and a crochet pattern. And then there is 2 sock patterns, which don't go with this yarn. It goes with the sock membership box, which is a little bit cheaper. This particular box runs $29.99, so you might as well say $30, and then you have shipping, which is almost $8. So it's just a couple pennies short of $38 per month. However, if you're interested in Knit Crate and you want to give it a try, there is a link down below. You can click that and get 20% off of your first box. So yeah, if you want to give them a try, you could do that, get 20% off. They do bill automatically the first of the month, so if you find it's not for you, you want to make sure you cancel it before the first of the month. You do get a choice of colorways. They give you a preview at the beginning of each month. You can choose either Energize Me, which are more brighter colors. You could choose the neutrals, which are of course more neutral colors, or the Chill Out colorway, which is more cooler tones. Or you can say anything goes, which means you just want to be surprised, which is what my affiliate box, that's what mine is the affiliate box. So I don't get a choice over what color they send me. And sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't, but I do like this because I'm more of a neutral type of, I don't go for really bright colors. So you get that, you get stash points for every month that you buy a crate. The stash points convert to cash, and that you can turn into applied to your box, or they also do at the end of a month, they do what is called the double down, which if you are already a member, they mark the yarn down, and then they give you a special coupon code that takes an additional amount off. So say you want more skeins of this because you want to make something more substantial, you can do that. You can buy, and I've done this before, gone on and bought yarn. It's all luxury yarn. There's no acrylic in it. And you can get it relatively cheap with the double down. So you get that benefit as well. Plus you get 4 patterns each month. So the 2 that go with this one, I'm going to insert the pictures because it is downloadable. So I don't have them readily available in a book to show you. So first I will show you the crochet one. And the knit one. Now they are both like a neck scarf. I don't know that I would do either of them. It's kind of hard to see in the picture because they did it with, it looks like black, so it's not showing up real well. You can't see what the stitches look like or anything. And then the crocheted socks. And the knit socks. I like both of those. I think if I had to pick between the 2 socks, I would pick the knit socks. But yeah, so that is the knit crate for this month. And then I also was in the mood to make a granny square Afghan. I don't know why, I've just been in a mood for granny square Afghans. And I used to have a big sampler quilt that was all done in like a cream color upstairs in our spare bedroom, but we decided to move it down to our master bedroom, which is on the other side of this wall. It's on the first floor. We decided to move it down here because it was a big Afghan, and if you know, you just want a little extra warmth at night, it was nice to be able to pull up. So I decided, well, I'll make an extra Afghan for up in the spare bedroom because that's where my son and daughter-in-law and the grandkids stay when they come, and it gets chilly up there. So I thought, well, we'll make an extra Afghan for there. So let me show you what I got. This is from Annie's, and it is, all of it is the same brand, and it is the Premier Basics, which I have used before. I really like it. I have not found it pilling up any. I've made several Afghans out of it. So first, this is going to be the smallest part of the granny square, and this color is called Cream. This is a worsted weight. And I think this is one of their cheaper yarns too. I don't remember exactly what I paid for it. I will stick it down here, what it was, but it is one of their cheaper yarns. And it is a worsted weight. It's 359 yards or 328 meters. It's 100% acrylic. It doesn't say that it's anti-pilling, but I have not run into it pilling. And I've got like 3 Afghans I've made with this. So 3 or 2? No, more than that, because I made the Afghans for my daughter and my son that I gave them at Christmas time. All of that was out of the same yarn as well. So I've made quite a few Afghans with this. So this is the center of the granny square. And then this is the next row of the granny square. And this color is Fern. And then the last row, I have 3 skeins of this, and let me open one so you can see it a little bit better. Here we go. It is called Leaf. So let me hold all 3 of them up so you'll see what they look like together. So there it is. That's what it's going to be which will be perfect because the room upstairs is done almost in this color. It's kind of a sage color up there. And the bedspread up there is cream with sage, little teeny flowers, and so are the curtains. So yeah, these 3 colors will go good together and it'll look good, and I can play with some granny squares. So yeah, that's the plan at least. So thanks again for watching. Again, if you're interested in checking out Knit Crate, the link is down below. And I will see you again tomorrow for the next installment of my bariatric journey. And you can see I am wearing my cabled sweater. I figure it's already big on me. I'm hoping it gets a whole lot bigger, but I figure once winter's done, this is getting ripped out because I want to reuse the yarn because I do like the color and the yarn. So this will be coming apart and getting remade into another sweater, hopefully in a smaller size. So that's it today. Thanks for watching. Bye, everybody.